Hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your Etsy shop with your Instagram and Facebook pages. This will allow you to tag your products directly in your posts so that people are automatically redirected to your Etsy shop to make their purchase. It's one of the best ways to increase traffic to your Etsy shop using social media. This method will also allow you to show your Etsy listings directly into your Facebook and Instagram shops. So let's get started. First, head to business.facebook.com, and if it's not already done, you need to create an account and link it to your Facebook page and Instagram account. Once the account is created, you need to head to the business settings section here and go to the domains tab under brand safety and suitability. We need to verify our domain name so that we can link to it. Click on Add, create a new domain. The domain name you need to type in starts with your shop name. You can find it in the URL of your shop right here. So copy it like this here and add to etsy.com. You can double check that it's the right domain name by visiting it. It should redirect to your Etsy shop just like this. Now click on Add. Facebook now needs to verify that you own the domain name, so copy the meta tag they give you. Go to your Etsy shop manager and click on Settings, Facebook Shops. Now you need to copy the meta tag in the field like this and click on Connect. Once it's done, you go back to the Facebook Business Settings tab and click on Verify. It should work and the domain name is now verified. The next step now is to link your catalog. Click on the menu button here and go to the Commerce Manager. If you do not already have an account, you can create a new one using this button. Otherwise, click on the account and go to Catalog, and then open the Data Sources panel. Click on Add Items. And now choose Data Feed since we want to import our listings all at once. We do not need a template for the catalog, so choose Yes. We now need to upload our data feed. Instead of manually uploading a file, we're going to use a URL instead. That way the products will always stay in sync whenever you make changes, which makes managing your listings super easy. Now go to the Catalog Generator app. Simply visit catalog-generator.webeyes.com. Go to Login. If you do not already have an account, you can sign up for one. You'll need to connect your Etsy shop with the app so that it has access to your listings. Let's log in. Once the app is open, it will provide you with a URL that you can use as a data feed for the Instagram catalog. Copy it and paste it in the Commerce Manager like this. You can leave these two fields empty and click on Next. You can choose a schedule for how often Facebook should retrieve and resync the catalog. You can choose daily like this and click Next. Review everything and click on Save Feed and Upload. Facebook will then download all your listings, add them to your catalog. It can take us several minutes depending on how many listings you have. Once the listings are fully retrieved, you will see them appear in the Items section of the catalog just like this. Now whenever you make changes to your Etsy listings or create new ones, they will automatically be synced with your Facebook and Instagram catalogs. The final step is to go to the Settings tab and then Catalog. Under the Not Submitted section, you need to submit your domain name for approval. Once approved, you'll be able to tag your products and redirect to your Etsy shop. You can also tag products in your IG stories and allow your customers to tag your products on their posts. This is a great way to increase engagement and most importantly increase traffic to your Etsy listings. Here's a small recap and a few more tips. You need to create a Facebook business account. Make sure that your Instagram account and Facebook page are linked to the business account. Make sure to switch your Instagram account from a personal account to a business account. It's totally free and gives you more features and insights. Link your custom Etsy domain to your business account. Install the Catalog Generator app. Create a new data source in the Commerce Manager. Copy the URL that the Catalog Generator provides you with and submit. Submit your domain name for approval in the Commerce Manager. That's pretty much it. The benefit of using the Catalog Generator app is really that the process is automated after that. You don't need to manage the items manually in the catalog every time. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.